Welcome back, artists. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quick sketch a tom turkey. I'm going to do it in ink, but you do it in pencil so that you can erase the lines at the end of it when you're all done. First, start with an oval like this. Make it mostly circular. That's the body of the bird. Now put his head down around here. Start with a circle like this. Put on an S-shaped neck like this. Show the dewlap hanging over the beak like this. Show a little bit of the beak like this. Put on the eye like this, and it points down. Put on the beard like this. Put the wing on like this. Now make two lines across the top like this. Put the wing feathers on like this. Put the feet on like this. Put the tail on like this, making three lines. First come out horizontally like that, and then around like that. The second line slightly inside the first line like that, and then the third line close to the body like this. Now put the little tops on the feathers like this. Put the little tops on the feathers on the third line like this. Shade the area in the middle like this. Darken it towards the bottom like this with a little more cross hatching. The turkey will arc their feathers at the top of their back, which are very dark. You can show that this way. Draw a line like this, and another one like this. Draw a row of feathers in like this. Darken this area with cross hatching like this. Show some of the tail feathers, or the feathers on the back end of the bird like this. Do some cross hatching on the bottom like this. Strengthen the wing image like this. Round the ends of the feathers in this area of the bird are shaped like this, or lay like this. Cross hatch and darken the areas like this. Show the feathers on the breast of the bird like this, and darken this area too that's underneath the bird. Add some cross hatching to the neck like this. Shade the legs a little bit too. Put a shadow on the ground. Add some ground like this. A little bit darker color here and there to better shape your bird. And there you have it, a quick sketched tom turkey. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.